Tapos ito si Travis, huminto. Sabi ko nung tiin, babe, kami. Marites.
Yeah.
You're nosy.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Kinsley. Good morning, kiss mommy. Si Elio. Aliguan na namin si Eliana. Kaya ang lungad, oh. Naglungad siya. Nagsuka. Ano matawag niya yung suka niya? Lungad nga. Oy, grabe. Kailangan mo na talaga maligo. Baka puno na yung diaper mo, ah. No? Nakapalit lang ni Daddy sa'yo. Kakapalit lang ni Daddy sa'yo. Update, guys, sa mukha ni Ellie. Ayan na. Nagki-clear na siya, guys. Diba? Diba, baby ko? Nakulangot ka, girl, ah. Ang hirap kasi kunin ang kulangot niya. Mamaya ako na lang kunin pagligo niya. Maliligo na rin siya, eh. Maliligo na siya, eh. Maliligo na po si Ellie. Hindi mo, ubasa. Halika na. Hi, guys. Napaliguan na si Ellie. At ayan na ang kanyang face. Tignan nyo naman. Wala na yung nag-dry na. Tapos meron pa rin siyang kaunti sa ulo niya, guys. Sa noo. Sarap ng tulog, oh. Wala yung daddy niya. Pinaliguan si Kinsley sa shop. Sarap ng tulog. Sarap ng tulog ng baby. Abay natin namin daddy niya, pati si Kinsley. Hi guys! Nandito na si Kinsley. Bagong ligo. Wow!
Let's bring her outside a minute so she can...
Wow!
It's hard to wash her with just me.
Aha.
She's so big. She just needs to dry off a little more.
Pumunta kasi sila kanina guys sa
What'd you doing? Go find it. Go find your toy. Where's your toy?
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy? Where'd it go? Go find it. Find your toy.
Naliguan ng daddy niya. Oh, wow! Is that your toy? She found it.
Oh, good girl. If she runs around out here, she'll
Yeah,
dry off.
sure. Right.
Look what you got. And of course, now she's already got these little things on her.
I'm sure she sheds a lot there.
Oh, yeah. I was too.
Good girl! Kailangan siya paliguan bago kami pumunta ng Michigan kasi maantot siya. At sasakay siya sa sasakyan tapos ilang oras kami, di ba? Ang biyahe. Para malinis din siya si Kinsey kasi siguro, I think it's been 1 month, right? That we haven't, yeah.
Because I gave her like a little wet down, but it wasn't a lot.
Right. Good girl. Yeah.
How you gotta dry off now, huh?
Yeah.
Can you shake for me? You shake?
Tignan nyo guys, ang daming, what do you call this, babe? This one? Seeds?
I don't know. They're seeds from something.
Yeah.
I think
Tapos,
it's this tree.
yeah, and then every time we take her outside in the backyard here, she's taking all these seeds. Look at that. Look at her
She's
paws.
already...
Tapos pumapasok na, tapos nandun sa bahay na nalalaglag sa bahay. Tapos kailangan namin maglinis na maglinis. Kaya sabi ko kay Travis, punasan bago siya ipasok sa loob eh. Ayan o, nalalaglag sa mga puno-puno. Malago na yung namin guys, yung damo namin sa backyard. Nag-mow si Travis kahapon. Did you mow yesterday?
Huh?
You mow yesterday, right? Oh.
I didn't mow super.
Tapos papakita ko sa inyo guys. Akala ko, akala ko sira na yung strawberry kasi last year, wala talaga siya as in patay na patay siya. Tapos ngayon tumubo ulit. Strawberry yan. Tapos ito, naman tawag niya? Times ba tawag nila dito? Yung mabango.
I just mowed down like the tall stuff. I didn't do I didn't like bring it all the way down.
Yeah. This smells really good. Para siyang herbal. Tapos meron ako ditong oregano. Ayan. Tumubo rin siya. Namatayan siya last year. Kasi nga sobrang lamig. Pag winter namamatay siya. Tapos itong onion ko, nagkaroon siya ng bulaklak ko. Look at my onion, babe. It has a flower now. Look. I don't know what.
Mm.
Yeah, it has a flower.
They always grow though.
Yeah.
They never stop growing.
Yeah.
What was this?
Oregano.
Oh wow.
Hi,
about
Kinsley. Hi, Kinsley.
Come
Kinsley.
here.
Go see Daddy. Go see Daddy. Lang yung puppy toy niya. Favorite niya, may malaki siyang puppy toy. Malaking tae na na yeah.
Poop emoji.
Yeah, poop emoji toy. Kaso yung isa malaki tinapon namin kasi binutas niya, pinanginat-ngat niya. What?
Put it in her mouth.
What? Oh, babe, we need to pack. Tomorrow is Wednesday, babe. And then Thursday, guys, may appointment ako morning and then diretso kami ng Michigan. Last appointment ko. Tapos titignan nila yung ko. Come on, let's go inside. Malapit na kami umalis, guys. Papuntang Michigan. So, mga Thursday ng umaga, alis na kami. Kasi meron akong appointment ng umaga sa... Yung last appointment ko sa tahi ko, titignan nila. Tapos after nun, diretso na kami, drive papunta dun sa Michigan. So, nag-start na kami mag-impake, guys. Ngayon, padalhin ko rin yung breast pump ko, guys. Tapos, I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung ginagamit namin kay Ellie sa mukha niya, no? Pati sa ulo niya. Ito. Ito yung ginagamit namin, Happy Copy. So, ano siya? Nawala na talaga yung niya. Para ba ito focus? Kasi naka-cinematic. Ayan, nawala yung niya, yung dryness, pamumula ng mukha niya. I think she pooped. I think she pooped. She always wanna be you know, yung lagi niya inuuga. Yung gusto niya laging nireact siya inuuga. Look at you, you're a big girl now. You're a big girl.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
You're a big girl. So guys, nag-start na rin akong mag-impake ng mga gamit ni Ellie kahapon. Tapos ngayon naman,
Oh yeah.
yung gamit naman namin. Sabi na yung nagpupo siya eh.
Oh, you got your poopy?
Grabe guys, wala pa ako ligo-ligo, no? Siguro maligo ako ngayon. Dito kasi hindi ako madalas maligo, guys. Ano lang kasi, uso dito yung
Babe.
hugas-hugas.
What?
Oh my gosh! That's a lot! Uso dito yung hugas-hugas ng katawan. Tapos, madalas dito hindi nila binabasa yung hair nila di tulad sa Pilipinas. Kasi mainit naman sa Pilipinas, di ba? Dito kapag ka-summer, ayun, doon ako palaging nagbabasa ng buhok. Pero kahit nung summer last year, hindi ako masyado nagbabasa o nag-ano ng buhok kasi hindi ako madalas pawisan dito, lalo na nung nag-work ako sa Walgreens kasi aircon naman doon. Di tulad sa Pilipinas, di ba kasi lagi pawis tayo, kaya everyday kailangan mong basain or yung ulo mo. Tapos lagi kailangan talaga ligo ka talaga everyday magbasa ng hair. Dito, everyday din naman kami pero yung, ito lang, hindi kasama yung ulo. Diba? Siguro mga twice a week ako nagbabasa ng ulo, nag-shampoo, ganyan. So, ayun, okay naman yung ng buhok ko. Pero minsan nga lang may dandruff kasi nga dahil siguro sa hot water. Kung alam mo nangyari dito, guys. Kanina natutulog siya, tapos ngumingiti, tumatawa-tawa siya. Hi! Hi! Hi, Ellie! Lakas mo talaga sumipa. Nung nasa tiyan ko pa siya, grabe din sumipa to eh. 10 pounds na ang timbang ni Ellie, guys. Tinimbang namin siya. Eliana! Eliana! Nakapag-impake na nga pala ako, guys, nung ibang gamit. So, yung gamit na lang ni Travis na iba, ilalagay ko sa maleta. Hi! Ellie! Oy, grabe ng pisngi mo ah. Dumating na ang daddy ni Ellie, galing gym.
Look at her. She's like, I don't like this. Is this the tight one?
Yeah. So, ito na nga pala guys, nakapag-empake na ako sa gamit ni Ellie. Ito yung diaper bag. Hindi na ako magdadala ng bag ko na pang alis-alis. So, dito ko na nilagay yung mga iba kong gamit. Pati diaper. Yeah. Tapos, ito yung emergency kit bag namin. Nandito yung parang thermometer para kay Ellie. Tapos, yung mga iba pang mga, alam mo na, for emergency. Tapos, gamit ni Ellie, mga damit niya. Tapos, itong ano niya. Kumot na binigay sa kanya ni Ate Jen. Tapos, hindi ko pa tapos yung sa amin eh. Ito yung sa amin. Ito palang, damit ko palang. Hindi ako magdadala ng sobrang daming damit, guys. Kunti lang yung dadalhin kong damit. Tapos kay Travis for sure, ang dami niyang dadalhin. Ewan ko, ganyan kasi yan pag umaalis eh. Alis kami, guys. Maglalakad-lakad kami. Go for a walk? Are we gonna go for a walk? Super excited siya. Bagong ligo. Alright. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ready?
There you go. Babe, look at her smile.
There
you go.
Ellie. Look at her face. It's ano na. It's clear na.
Hi. This one's a little big on ya. I got you though.
Ellie. Hi. Look at her eyes, babe. Show them your eyes.
Oh
Gosh. It's not it's not clear here.
You're gonna be pretty. Just like your dad, huh?
Ayan o, medyo gray. Pero pag nasa araw, yung parang maliwanag, makikita yung gray talaga siya, tapos may pagka-brown. Let's go now.
Yeah, where's the
The what? Carrier?
Yeah, you ready? We're gonna walk with you.
Come on, Ellie. Ay, Ellie. Na naman tayo. Ellie ko na naman si Kinsley. Let's go. Nilagyan namin sombrero si Ellie. Ellie! Look at Mommy! Matutulog na yan siya dyan. Kanina ginanyan ko rin siya. Natulog lang siya habang nag-empake. Oh.
Here you go.
Ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys. Come here. Kinsley. Kinsley, come on.
Kinsley, come on.
Okay, guys. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Sama si Kinsley. Medyo basa-basa pa pala yung ano niya, pero hindi naman. Sabi kasi ni Travis, basa pa daw, kaya maglakad kami. Oo. Feel na daddy yung carrier.
This is
Oh.
perfect.
It's light too, right?
Yeah. Well, it helps that her weight does not have any effect on me.
Yeah. Ang kulit ni Kinsley, guys, kaya inaano niya yung mukha niya sa ano ko, sa pants ko. Tingnan niyo naman yung pants ko. Puro buhok niya na. Oh. Ang problema, nag-itim pa ako. Kasi ang mga pants ko, mga itim madalas. Yung mga, nung buntis ako, kasi mga degarter. Madalas itim yung ano ko. Kasi nagagamit ko rin sa work. May nagbabike kanina, guys, nandoon. Kaya may ambulance tsaka police. Tapos nabunggo niya yung sasakyan. Tapos ito si Travis, minto. Sabi ko nung babe, kami. Marites.
Yeah.
You're nosy.
Oh, yeah.
Marites. Sabi ko, minto siya. Tapos tinignan niya talaga. Sabi ko, Marites ka ha. You already have sunburn.
Me?
Yeah, look at that. The redness.
I always,
Tignan mo, si Madam Kinsley. Gusto niya talaga nung unang-una siya sa lakad.
everybody's watching her when we go by.
Who?
Kinsley.
Yeah.
She's drying.
Because she have a big booty.
She should be dry by the time we get back. There's
Grabe,
the
ang balbo
That's probably the ambulance right there.
Ang balbo. Ayan na, yung ambulansya.
Yeah, that's the ambulance.
Pupunta yan dito. Kasi, nabalian ata yung babae. Nagbabike siya.
Oh, they're going that way.
Makimarites muna tayo. Babe, let's... Makimarites muna tayo. Lalo na asawa ko marites yun eh. Pupunta dito yung ambulance. We're coming back? Let's go, Kinsey. We're coming back.
You want to go back? So we're not getting ice cream?
No! We have plenty of ice cream at home.
The ambulance there.
Ayun na, ambulance. Oh, tingnan
Oh,
mo. Marites.
It's got a police escort.
Come on, Kinsey. Grabe. Ha? Grabe mga polis dito, mga babae. Kanina babae din.
It's
Yeah,
another
girl cop.
girl.
I should be a cop, Ben.
Could be. If you weren't so afraid.
Yeah. It's dangerous too.
I mean, it can be if you're afraid.
Yeah.
You just gotta know that you could whoop their butt every time you get out of the car.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi grabe sila rumusponde dito pag may lalo na dito sa area namin.
Babe, zoom in down there. Look at all the cops. for one little traffic accident with a bicycle.
O siya yung nakabunggo doon sa may sasakyan na nakapark sa gilid eh. Tapos I don't know, did she break her leg?
She might have. I don't know how hard she hit.
Because maybe she's driving fast. Naka-bicycle lang siya.
It looked like she had one of those e-bikes.
Yeah. I don't think so. Not e-bike. It's like a normal bike.
No, I think it was an e-bike.
Oh.
So those e-bikes can go 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
If you hit a car doing 30 on a bike, oh yeah, you can walk through in the grass a little bit.
Come here, Kinsey. Come here. Ito chismosa rin to si Kinsley. Hello. Chismosa rin si Kinsley, oh.
Good girl.
Paras ko na ama mo chismoso.
I'm holding her feet in case they get cold.
It's not really cold.
Oh, for her it might be. But she's warm against my chest.
Yeah, she's warm.
She's keeping me warm.
Good thing we put hat.
Yeah.
And
good,
naka-onesie siya.
Daddy made a good call.
Oh, ayan guys, oh.
Oh.
I wonder what happened. I hope she's okay.
Yeah, I'm sure she's fine.
Kasi tinawagan ng lalaki yung yung police. Kasi nga, syempre, na-damage yung car niya. Tapos yung babae hindi makatayo.
I wonder if he was like, because it looked like he was stopped.
Mm-hmm.
I
don't know if he just parked there or
Hard to say.
yeah, or maybe he was.
Good girl, Kinsley.
Good girl, Kinsley. Come here.
She's like inherently calmer with.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Alex. Oh, they're walking this way.
Mm-hmm. Kawawa naman yung matanda. Matanda na siya eh. She looks old, right?
She's older, yeah.
I think she's maybe
Hard to say.
on
In
her
50s probably.
50, 60. Nakaupo lang siya dyan,
A
guys,
lot of people
kanina.
ride their bikes in here. A lot.
Nagbike siya, tapos nabunggo niya. Tapos nakita namin nakaupo lang siya. Tapos tinanong ni Travis, okay lang kayo? Sabi niya, oo. Sabi ng lalaki. Kasi sabi niya, tumawag na kami ng police. Ganyan yan si Travis pag may makita siyang, nasiraan ng sasakyan. Gaas siya. Kung ano may help niya. Oh, can you tell them the older guy you help in Wawa?
Yeah,
Because last time you were late, I was like, what took you so long?
the dude's car stalled out in front of me,
Uh-huh.
and I couldn't move, so I got out and pushed him
Yeah.
into the parking lot.
And then they keep beeping their horn.
No one got out to help me. I pushed the car by
Yeah,
myself.
they didn't help. They didn't help him.
Good thing your husband's strong.
Yeah. Gosh.
Yeah, it was like a Buick LeSabre. It was heavy
Sabi
as
ko,
hell.
bakit ang tagal niya umuwi? Yung pala, na-stuck siya dun, tinulungan niya yung
Looks
matanda.
like they're already wrapping up. Nice and quick.
Bilis, no? Grabe taga sa Amerika, bilis.
Look, nice and quick. Ambulance is about to take off.
Yup. Bilis talaga nila dito rumisponde. Pero nung nanakawan ako, wala.
Look at this. 1, 2,
Binigyan lang ako case
3,
number.
4 first responder vehicles for one minor accident. Imagine how much manpower that takes.
But it's important, if it's important.
I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying, imagine like a crash on the highway, how much manpower it takes.
But babe, remember I got robbed They didn't go there.
They didn't even come to us.
Yeah. Maybe it depends on the situation.
Well, it does. I mean, it depends also if you're injured. Like.
Yeah. Hi guys! So nakauwi na kami ng bahay guys. And matutulog na rin kami soon. Kung matulog din si Ellie na maaga. No? What are you eating?
A salad.
Yeah.
For my muscles.
So yun lang ang vlog natin for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!